guys, a new mining video. This is the homepage of the site. The link will be in the description, also of the script. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Get paid every 20 seconds. You will get paid for Binance, ETC, ETH. Like you see, this is Shiba. This is payment to FastPay and also to Payeer. Like you see in this case, there is some. You must put your Binance. Your email FastPay, or if you want to be paid in Payeer, you must put your Payeer also here. Like you see, it's based in coins. Like you see, for Binance, 100,000 coins minimum payout. For Payeer, minimum payout is 2,500 coins. Like you see, for 100,000 coin, it's equal to 10 Satoshi. For 1 million, it's 1,100 Satoshi. It's simple. You will get paid. How to work? We will use a script. We go here. If you want to work with your browser, also we use the script. You press in auto faucet. Like you see, you will get paid 215 coins every 20 seconds. Like you see, you will get paid for 215 coins every 20 seconds. Like you see, we have 200. Now it's return. It's like that. You can register your email or Payeer. Don't forget to register your email or Payeer here. Let's go to the script. This is our termux. I already opened the file. The instruction will be in the description. We put cd space auto-fc1, the name of the folder of the unzipped script. Now press enter. Now press ls. Now press php bot.php, like that. Like you see, the script is asking for cookies. We will use advanced web manager to get the cookies. The link of the application, it's in the description. We open our site in advanced web manager. The link will be in the description, like that. We go here in the setting of the 3 in the corner. We get our cookies like that. We press inject cookies. We get our cookies. We select cookies. It's simple. No need http canary. No need. We press enter. Now the script will start automatically. Like you see, it's starting claiming. Every 20 seconds you will get 215 coins. It's a good site. Its payout will be to FastPay or Payeer, as you want. All things it's shown in the site. There is minimum payout. Like we see, the site is working well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. All link will be in the description. Also the instruction how to unzip and how to open the script. See you another mining video.